Okay guys, so we're going to be making some soy sauce chicken, but this is going to be my version, so it's not going to be the traditional way of doing it. So here I have some chicken wings, and what I did, I put it to marinate since yesterday. Okay, so in here I have 2 tablespoons of gluten-free soy sauce, which is tamari. I have 1 tablespoon of gluten-free oyster sauce. Now that's where it's not traditional, because usually when you're making soy sauce chicken, you just use regular soy sauce and you use dark soy sauce. But I didn't have any dark soy sauce, so I use, like I said, 2 tablespoons of tamari, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine. Okay. And I also put about a tablespoon and a half of ginger garlic paste, and that's what I have here, and I left it to marinate overnight. Okay, so let's get started in cooking our soy sauce chicken. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some oil here to my pot. I'm using coconut oil. To this, I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste to flavor the oil a little bit. And this is not traditional, but I'm going to throw in a star anise as well. I did put a pinch of sugar, brown sugar, in that chicken as well to marinate. Because if I was using dark soy, remember dark soy would have sugar in it. Okay, so I can smell the fragrance now, so I'm going to add in now my chicken wings to this. Alright, so I'm just going to leave this as is to get some color before I add in the rest of liquid from the marination. Just going to leave this to get some color. Okay guys, so I left it on one side. I'm going to turn it now. Alright, and what I'm going to do is add in the liquid. And then I'm going to cover it to allow it to cook completely. Of course, I'm also going to turn down the fire. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is that I have this liquid here, pour the liquid in, and I add a little bit of hot water to this. So I have some hot water. I'm just going to swirl it around in this bowl that I had the chicken marinating in. Pick up all the seasoning, pour that in. I'm also going to put another tablespoon of this tamari soy sauce as well. You know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to put a little bit of red chili flakes. This is optional, it's not traditional, but I think just to add a little oomph, just add a little bit of that to it. All right, so let's add a little bit of the soy sauce. Then we will cover and allow it to cook, right? If I had a dark soy sauce, it will give it a darker color, but I don't have that, so we'll just stick with what we have, right? I am contemplating sprinkling a little more brown sugar on top of it. I think I will do that. Because like I said, if I use a dark soy sauce, I would have gotten the sweetness from that. Alright, so let's mix it in. I need to make some more of my gluten-free homemade dark soy sauce. I did a video on that already, so you guys can check it out on my channel. Just type in my name, Laura Forde, gluten-free dark soy sauce, and you should see it. If I remember, I'll leave a link in the description as well. Alright, so let's cover this now. So I've turned down my flame and we're going to cover this and cook completely. Okay guys, so I've removed the cover now and I'm going to leave this uncovered to help some of this liquid to evaporate. Okay. Okay guys, so you can reduce your sauce to your preference. If you like a lot of gravy, then you can end it at this point, which I'm going to do. Or if you want to reduce it more, you can feel free to do that. It's your preference. Now what we will do is top this with some spring onions.